Using the average daily balance method and the information given in the chart, we're going to find the credit finance charge for the month of August, which has 31 days, and the annual interest rate that is given is 18%. So I've already started the chart just for time. I'm going to explain the parts that have been already completed. So for the first line here, we have the days from August 1st through the 6th. There was an initial balance given of $380. Therefore, we take 380 and we multiply that times the total number of days from August 1st to the 6th. And that's where 2,280 comes from. Then we move to the next line, which is August 7th through August 17th. And there was a charge of $65. So, in order to get the total amount, we take 380 and add the $65 charge, which now gives us an amount of $445. So in the second line, that's where 445 comes from. And we multiply that amount times the 11 days that there are from the 7th through the 17th. So 445 times 11 is 4,895. On the next line, we have a payment of $90. So, since previously the amount from the previous week was 445, we need to subtract $90 from that in order to get the amount. And subtracting $90 gives us $355. So that's where you see the change in the amount on line 3. So we have 355 times the total number of days, which is from the 18th to the 22nd. So that's 5 days. So 355 times 5 is 1,775. And then next we have a charge of $195. So we take the 355 and add the charge of $195, which is $550. So that gives us our new amount in line 4, and that's from dates 23rd through the 24th. And we multiply the 550 times 2 for 2 days, and that's 1,100. And then finally we have another charge of $47. So we take the 550 and add $47, which is 597, between the dates of, from the dates of August 25th to the 31st, and that's a total of 7 days. So 597 times 7 days is 4,179. So we take each of our calculations from each week, and we find the sum of those calculations, and we divide that by a total of 31 days. So after adding those amounts, we get 14,229 divided by 31, and that equals to $459. So now we can calculate using our formula. Since we are given the principal amount now, and our principal here is 459. So we take 459 times the 18%. Of course, we convert that to a decimal. And we're finding the average daily balance. So we're using 31 days out of 365 days. So after multiplying all of those, we end up with $7.02.